Good morning, y'all. Part 2 of our Disney vacation. We have moved to a different resort. Now we are at Port Orleans Riverside, and you're gonna love this. It's super cute. It's not as big and bougie as the deluxe that we were just in, but I really like this one. This is actually our home resort. We love this resort. So let me just turn this thing around. Let's take a little bit. So let me just turn this thing around and let you take a look at the room. All right, so I am standing at the front door right now, and this is what it looks like as soon as you walk in. And it's got this really cool rustic theming going on, and I'm just here for it. Check out that table and chair. I just love that. That is so cool. And I really like this drapery. So let me just back up here and let you see what this looks like. So this is like a corner window situation. Take a look at that. Look at those details. That curtain rod up there looks like a rope. I just love Disney. You know how to do things. I don't know what it is. How does Disney have all the details down? All right, so I'm just going to do a quick sweep and let you take a look at what's going on here. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness, it's so cute. All right, so this is 2 queen beds. And right here is actually another Murphy bed that pulls out. And look at that. I just pulled that out with my own hand, with one hand, so it came out super, super easy. And right there you've got a twin size mattress. And is that Louis? Oh, Louis. I love this. This is so cute. Alright, and I'm also pushing it up with my hand, and it locks into place. And that, again, one-handed, and that was no trouble at all. So when it's up, there's a nice bench seat there, and there are 3 drawers. Like that. Willy ink, how fun. That is so fun. Here's a look at some of the details for the headboard and the lamps. How cute, y'all. And we've got a nice ceiling fan, and it does put off some good breeze. Like it. Show you some of these details here. Froggy feet. Lamp. There is the nightstand right in the middle of both beds, and it's got that Alexa thing right there. And it's also got 2 plugs and 2 USBs. And there are the light switches that controls the lights over the beds, the fan, and the light on the fan. And of course it's got a phone there. And this has a little drawer and a shelf underneath. Walking back towards this area here, we've got an ice bucket there and some cups. And a coffee maker there with the Joffrey's pods. 2 shelves right there. And this cute little thing right here, that's where they hide the refrigerator. Look, it's a key. There's the mini fridge right there. Now what I do not see in this room is a microwave. There are no microwaves in this room. Alright, so going into the bathroom area, there is a privacy curtain, and it is super cute. Everything here is Princess and the Frog themed. And there is, oh, love that. All right, and then you just grab the stick right there and pull the whole thing over. And that brings us to a double vanity. And I gotta say, with two kids, a husband and me, 4 of us, we definitely need 2 vanities. So we struggled in the deluxe only having 1 sink. But this works much better. But look at that detail. Check out that washboard thing. How fun. How fun. All right. So underneath here, they give us a hair dryer and some extra toilet paper and some extra towels. And there's all of our washcloths there. And this one also has that fun mirror here that's magnified on one side and not on the other. One of my very favorite features. Look at that mirror. Recessed lighting up there. There's an iron and ironing board there. And there's not a closet in this one. There's just a rack right there with plenty of hangers. And they do have a safe for your valuables. Here is the bathroom here. There is the shower, and we do have, oh, look at that. And we have a curved shower rod there. And we do have potty there and towel rack there. Now this bathroom is quite a bit smaller than the deluxe. Quite a bit. And same products here, but in a different bottle. Isn't that interesting? But check out this board on the shower. I really like that. And it looks really clean. I do not see any mold or mildew anywhere. Alright, and they've got one of those. They've got one of those waterfall shower heads as well. I'm not a fan. I decided I'm not a fan. But it's here, so we'll use it. So walking back out of the bathroom, one last look. That's what it looks like from this side. So cute, y'all. Alright, so that's it for this room review, this room look through, but we're super excited to be here, and we'll check in later.